If you're looking to start making money online and you don't have any money to start, one of the easiest ways to start making money online without investing any money upfront is affiliate marketing. So today we're going to be looking at affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing is all about. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing has to do with recommending high quality products to people who need them. So if your friend is looking to do a master's degree and you know a school that offers a master's degree and they have a course online, you can tell your friend, oh, I have this, I know a place where you can do your master's degree. And if that school has an affiliate program, if your friend registers through your recommendation, you are going to earn a commission. Now, a lot of those big companies you hear their names today, they are into affiliate marketing. Talk about Amazon, talk about Uber. They don't have any product of their own. Uber does not have a car of their own. They make commissions by allowing other drivers to use their platform to get customers. The same thing goes with Amazon. Amazon doesn't have stocks, they don't have materials to sell, but people sell their products. People push their products to Amazon, and Amazon helps them sell these products, and they make Amazon takes their own commission. So that same thing applies. So if you are a tailor or a fashion designer, a baker, and you create a very interesting course teaching people how to bake or how to sew clothes, and maybe you're not good with marketing, and your friend comes to you and says, oh, can I help you sell this your course, and in return you're going to give me some commission, maybe 10% or 20% for every course I sell. And you say, oh, that would be a good idea, and you've already created this course. It's already, the videos have been recorded and everything is set, so you don't need to do this work. Even if 1000 people buys this video, you are not going to it's not going to take anything from you. What you just have to do is to send them a link to where the video is. So your friend keeps bringing customers to you and you keep paying him commission. That is what we call affiliate marketing. Okay, having said this, you will discover that for you to be an affiliate marketer, you need two important things. One, you need a product to sell, to recommend. Secondly, you need people to buy those products. So we'll start with the second one, which is people to buy those products. We are going to look at where you can find customers for your product, because that is one of the most important things. No matter how much no matter how great the product you are trying to sell is, if you don't have people that will buy those products, you're not going to make any commission. So we're going to start with how you can find people to buy those products. Now, one of the easiest ways to find people to buy any product is through paid advertising. But remember, we said that you are starting without any money. So if you have some money, then that's very wonderful. You can run advertisement and send people to those products. But if you don't have any money to run adverts, then don't worry, because there are so many other places you can get people. There are so many other channels through which you can get people to buy your product. So one of the ways, one of the free methods of getting uh people, customers to buy your product is through blog. Then if you don't enjoy writing, if you cannot start up a blog, then you can also start a YouTube channel where you teach people a lot of things related to that product. So when you teach them a lot of things, then from time to time you can recommend that product to them and they will buy. If they learn something from you, if you have given out enough value, then you can also get customers from Instagram. If you've already built an audience and you have people following you, or you can even start from scratch and build an audience and then start marketing to them. Then you can also get people on Facebook, Facebook groups, through your own Facebook story, even through your own personal Facebook profile or through your own Facebook page. Twitter, you can also get people to buy from Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, and forums like Quora, Medium, even LinkedIn. These are places platforms where you can get customers to buy your affiliate product. But here is the thing: if you are going to get people to, if you don't have any money to start uh, getting customers through paid advertising, and you want to get customers through free method, you have to be willing to work first, to give out value first, and then people will reciprocate by buying. Don't just go to Facebook groups and start spamming the groups and start writing things like, come and buy this product. No. You first of all start by teaching people anything you know related to that product. You teach them free. You can even conduct a live class and teach people a lot of things. You can even show them how to use those products. So when you do that, those people will be interested in that product, and when they're interested, they will buy through your link. Now that we are done with looking at where to get customers, the next thing we're going to look at is how to get products to sell. And when you are talking about affiliate marketing, you can sell both physical and digital products. So I will give you example of one place where you can get physical products to sell, and then you can also find other platforms by yourself. So one of the best places to get a physical product to sell is Amazon. Now, if you have been using Amazon, if you have been buying stuff through Amazon, then you can also make money by recommending products from Amazon. So how do you do that? If you open Amazon website and you scroll down to towards uh, the bottom of the page, you will see a place where you have something like become an affiliate. So if you click on that, become an affiliate, you will be able to uh, be you'll be able to sell products from Amazon and make commissions from them. Now, if you buy a product from Amazon and you feel that product is amazing, you can recommend that product to your friends or your followers or your readers, your audience, and make money from that product. So that is if you want to sell digital product. The only problem with digital product is that the commission range is not too much. The commission range is usually very poor. You may be making 5% commission, 10% commission, 2% commission. But if you sell digital products, you can make up to 50, sometimes even 80, 90% commission. So that is the only difference between selling digital products and um selling physical products. So you can also find other places to you can also if you also want to be affiliate for other if you want to find more places where you can get physical products to sell, then you can check e-commerce stores around you: AliExpress, Alibaba, Taobao, eBay. Just you visit the website, scroll down to the bottom of the page, you may find a place where you can become an affiliate. So whichever country you live in, if you're living in Nigeria, you can become an affiliate for Konga, for Jumia, and other e-commerce platforms we have in Nigeria. If you're living in Ghana, the same thing applies. If you're living in the UK or the US, the same thing applies. You can visit the website of these e-commerce stores and then scroll down to the end of the page to see if they have any affiliate program which you can join. So having said that, you can also become an affiliate for digital products. So, and there are so many places to get these digital products to sell. The major problem is that as you are starting out newly, a lot of the affiliate uh, platforms you be using will be required to apply and be approved before you start promoting products. And as a newbie, getting approvals may be difficult for you. So I'm going to start by showing you platform where you can just once you create your account and log in, You pick any product of your choice and start promoting without any approval. Just grab your link and start promoting the product. So basically, if you're living in the UK and US or other top world countries where some of these websites I'll show you are being are approved, you can where you can get access to this website, you can then get products from these websites to sell. So the first website is ClickBank. So if you go to clickbank.com, you'll be able to sign up and start promoting products. You should sign up as an affiliate. You click on affiliate, and then when the page opens up, you scroll down and find a place where you have something like where you have join ClickBank. If you don't see that, just find any place where you can see login or start now. So if you click on this login, you will be able to scroll down to the, if you open the login page, you can get to the bottom of the login page and you see a place where you create an account here. If you click on that create an account here, you'll be able to create a new ClickBank account. You just fill in your details and confirm your email address and the rest of do other things, and you start you pick you start picking products to promote. Another good affiliate platform that does not require approval before you start promoting product is Digistore24. So just log on to digistore24.com and uh, click on register now. Register with them as an affiliate, and then start promoting products. Pick any product of your choice and start promoting. Then if you're in countries where these platforms are not allowed, where you cannot use these platforms, Digistore24 and ClickBank, countries like Nigeria and some other countries in West Africa, then you can use a platform like Expertnaire. Just visit expertnaire.com. If you visit expertnaire.com, you'll be able to sign up. If you visit the expertnaire.com homepage, just type expertnaire.com. So if you visit expertnaire.com, you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate. So you see a place where you can sign up as an affiliate. So you can either sign up as a vendor if you have products to sell, if you have products that you want people to promote for you, or you sign up as an affiliate. Click on become an affiliate. You'll be able to get access to the platform, sign up, and then start promoting the product. So these are some platforms where you can instantly pick products and start promoting. But then if you don't have access to this platform, or you don't like them, or you want to get access to more products to promote, then you can go to platforms like JVZoo, like Rakuten, like ShareSell, like CJ Affiliate, Impact.com, and Awin. These platforms are places where you can get a lot of high quality digital products, SaaS products, software programs, uh, website templates, themes, and the rest of them to promote and start making money from the site. So that's it for places where you can get products to promote. So the next thing we're going to look at is signing up for private affiliate programs. Now, a lot of times you may want to get more, or there are some products, products and SaaS products you're already using that are awesome, that you are enjoying. It's easier to promote something you love, something you've used, and something you know it's you believe in it. It's always easier to promote a product you believe in. So if there are email softwares that are using, or WordPress themes that you're using, such and what WordPress plugin you're using, like Element and the rest of them, you can sign up for their private affiliate programs and start promoting them. So even websites like uh Fiverr, like Upwork, Bluehost, ConvertKit, HubSpot, you can become the affiliate. Just follow the exact way we were able to sign up for Amazon affiliate. If you visit GetResponse, for example, just scroll down to the end of the page. So let me show you an example. This is GetResponse homepage. So what you do is you simply scroll down to the end of the page. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down to the end of the page. Scroll down. So at the if you get to the footer of the page, the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a place where you can be an affiliate. So you look at this place where it says affiliate program. So if you click on this affiliate programs, it will open a page for you where you can see how you can sign up and become an affiliate for these programs. So you get paid when you refer clients to GetResponse and this other program. So like GetResponse has a very wonderful affiliate program. You once you sign up, you get 33% every month. You have two options. Either you get $100 for every sign up. Anybody that signs up through your account, you just get $100. But if you don't want that and you want a passive income, you can sign up for the recurring program where you receive 33% of their monthly subscription fee. So if you can keep every month, once that person's subscription is renewed, you get your own cut of the commission. That's wonderful. So that is all we have for today, making money through affiliate program. So if you're looking for a way to make money online as an affiliate, or if you are looking for ways to make money without having to put any money up front, then you should check out these affiliate programs I've mentioned and even find other ones yourself using the method I've taught you. So I wish you success, and I hope you take action based on what you learned on this video and start making money as soon as possible. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video right now.